In this example, we will factor each expression to find the dimensions of a shape. In part A, we will find the dimensions of a rectangle. Factor the trinomial 2x squared plus 3x minus 9. Before factoring, however, we should check for common factors. There are no common factors in this trinomial. In step 1, we need to find two numbers with the product of a times c and a sum of b. Let's create a table to keep track of our work. First try minus 6 and 3. The sum of these two numbers is minus 3. They don't work since we need a sum of 3. Now try 6 and minus 3. We get a sum of 3. These numbers work since the product is minus 18 and the sum is 3. Let's store the numbers in a sentence so we can retrieve them later. In step 2, we will split the x coefficient. Three is the same as 6 minus 3. The four-term polynomial is 2x squared plus 6x minus 3x minus 9. In step 3, we'll factor the first two terms, then the last two. We can pull out 2x from the first two terms and minus 3 from the last two terms. In step 4, we'll factor out the common binomial. Pull out x plus 3, giving us x plus 3 times 2x minus 3. The dimensions of the rectangle are x plus 3 and 2x minus 3. In part B, we'll find the dimensions of a rectangular prism. Factor the trinomial. Before factoring, check for common factors. (4x) is a common factor. Pull 4x out of the trinomial, giving us 4x times x squared minus 10x plus 9. Put 4x in holding while we factor x squared minus 10x plus 9. In step 1, we will get two numbers with a product of a times c and a sum of b. Create a table to record our work. First try minus 3 and minus 3. These numbers add up to minus 6. They don't work since we need a sum of minus 12. Next try minus 9 and minus 1. These numbers have a sum of minus 10. These numbers work since they have a product of 9 and a sum of minus 12. Store the numbers in a sentence so we can retrieve them later. Since a equals 1, we can factor using the shortcut. The factored form of the trinomial is x minus 9 times x minus 1. Don't forget to retrieve 4x from holding. The dimensions of the rectangular prism are 4x, x minus 9, and x minus 1.